What's up, world? Join me today as I take a break from my normal strength training routine to play around with these 3 kettlebells. Today's workout will be a lower body kettlebell workout using these 3 heavy bells and this step stool. Let's get into it. If you're a beginner or new to kettlebells, start off with lighter weight. Rest is going to be about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. I'm working with 32 kilograms today. For the front squat, I'm working with 24 kilograms. Fun. All right, time to get to it. I was able to knock out 10 there. With that, I like to get set first. I pick the kettlebells up, make sure they're secure, and then I set my foot and begin the movement. That is an advanced version of the front foot elevated split squat. I am making adjustments for my needs. If you're a beginner, just hold the kettlebells at the side. Next, kickstand deadlift. Those kickstand deadlifts, I'm not focusing on setting the weight down with this arm. My focus is pushing my hips towards the back here. That way, you're keeping yourself safe. Challenging. Oh, I miss working with kettlebells. Really, really feeling it. Love it. How much that exercise sucks. I make my clients do it all the time. I feel for them. I haven't done that one in forever. I added more weight to it. The key with that exercise is take your time, make sure you have a nice stable base before you begin the movement. After each set, knock out 6 to 10 reps on one side without setting the kettlebells down. Immediately knock out 6 to 10 on the opposite side. When you're in that reverse lunge position, you want to try and get that knee as low to the ground as possible. If not, you are just defeating the purpose of having that elevated position. That's why it's called the deficit reverse lunge, so you get more range of motion. That one, you want to make sure you're performing a side hinge. Your hips are coming to the side. It's so easy to tweak your lower back with that exercise. If you've never done it, start off with body weight, and then if you want to add a little bit of load, add a light kettlebell. Guys, just as a disclaimer, if you try this exercise with this amount of weight, you may hurt yourself. I've been working with these exercises for years. I'm going to do this jackknife crunch with 24 kilograms. I do not advise that you perform this exercise with this much weight if you are a beginner, or if you've never tried this exercise with a kettlebell before. I recommend that you start with lightweight. This is the jackknife crunch. Set up here. That wraps up today's kettlebell workout. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions about any of the exercises. This workout should be performed at your fitness level. Details of today's workout will be in the description. This workout can be performed by beginners, intermediate lifters, and advanced lifters. Challenge yourself, however, be mindful of your limits.
Know your limits, Master Wayne.
That man has no limits.
Well, you do, sir.
If you guys enjoyed this workout, subscribe for more kettlebell workouts. I'm going to be doing more of these a couple times a month just to give myself a break from my normal routine. Whatever you guys do, be safe, stay healthy, stay active, focus on your health, guys, focus on your mental health. Peace.